Okay, so you're gonna start off by holding the deck in a straddle grip like so, and you're gonna break about 1/3 of the deck from the top with your right hand, and you're gonna place your right thumb inside. Now you're gonna strip one single card from here, okay, and then it's gonna pivot about your left pinky, and then you're gonna strip another card with your left thumb, and it's gonna pivot about the same pinky, and you're gonna place your index on top, okay. So your right index is on top, and you're gonna now place your left index over here, and you're gonna pivot this single card, okay, about your left middle, okay, like so. Now you're gonna basically do these two things at once, and you're gonna get into this position, okay. So this is the first phase. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna place your right thumb underneath, and you're gonna grip this card and this card, the single card from top, and what you're basically gonna do is pinch these two cards together, and the packet in between here, over here, is basically going to now slide like so, okay. It's pretty easy, okay. It's sliding, pivoting at the same time, and this packet is now going to balance on top of these two cards, okay, or these two single cards, okay. Now this is the display. Once you've done the display, you're gonna reverse the process. So basically what you did from here, you can use your left middle finger over here to help this packet pivot back on top over here, okay. And at the same time, you're gonna place this card on top, okay, on top over here. So the packet is repositioned how it was originally. Now you're gonna pivot the single card over here. So now you're in this position, okay. You're now gonna pinch this card over here, and for the closer, so this is the second display phase, and for the closer, you're basically gonna pull your left thumb back and close it like so, and that's it.